Maharaja.
Excuse me,
Nalvadi.
for us are recording, can you just start from the
Can
beginning?
you repeat from the beginning?
Yeah. Okay.
During the construction of our palace, a foreign engineer visited our the then Maharaja Nalvadi Krishnaraja Vadiyar. Then he has presented a scarf to our Maharaja. Our Maharaja asked, "What is this?" He told, "It is a silk scarf." In 126 years back, in Karnataka, there was no missionaries for silk. Only we were doing the charka. It was very cool. Maharaja has surprised, so he is very fascinated with the sample of the given by the engineer. So he asked us to ship 8 looms from Switzerland here. Those looms, is erected in this building. See the building construction. Building construction, you see, just have a look at the building construction. Two tiles are 2 layers. 126 height in that height. There was at that time there was no exhaust fan, no mobile, no construction. It was done here. So it was so fantastic. Sari has come. It is away from palace. It is about 7 kilometers from there. From here, the prepared saris, pagatas, petas are going through procession to Maharaja. It ran like this for several years. Then the Maharaja thought, why only for royal family, why not for public? So he again brought another 32 looms, erected here. Then the public also started using the silk. This is the basic history. Then come.